what the governor pages look like and how to set them up. So if you go to Manage Website, Add or Edit a Website Page, as you can see, this is a list of all the pages that are on the website. Here is a staff and a governors page. So as you can see here, this is what the staff pages look like. With the governor pages, if you just click the blue plus, you go to additional options and it gives you a list. You can tick that this page is a governor's page. You can also password protect this page, so if we click this, you can then give it a password. And you scroll down to the bottom and then press Save All Details. So when you go onto the website, you click the governors. As you can see here, that the governor page is password protected. You can then log in, and here you go. Here is the information that is on the governors pages.